Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and configure your app, Redbooth Actions Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page, search for the custom page of the app, and this interface is going to pop up with all its necessary credentials, such as the documentation. We have the smart queue and the configuration workflow video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries. Let's walk you through on how to connect this specific app. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required to enter a client ID and a client secret. So let's copy the redirect URL, head to our account which we've created online, click on Start Building, then you click on Request Your App, and you fill in this form. You give a sample name and you paste the redirect URL which we copied here. Then you toggle on the support and click on Submit. Copy your client ID, switch back to the account, click on Start Setup and you paste. You copy the client secret, switch back to the account and paste. Then you click on Complete Setup and click on Authorize. And there you go, your app has been successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detail request through a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And as well, the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on these specific apps. To receive emails, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and then you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.